we have to use truth table to determine that the given statement is tautology or self-contradiction. We know that a tautology is a statement that is always true. So let's build first truth table. Because we have symbol statement P and Q, so we will have 2 to second is 4 rows. So we have to put P, Q, and we will have 4 rows, so it means 4 combination. P can be true or false, and Q can be true or false. For true, we can use T, or we can write 1. In some book you can find that for true they use T. In some you can find that they use for true 1. And for false you can use F or 0. I like to use 1 and 0. So we have PQ. Next, we have to check if we have negation of simple statement. We have negation of P, so we will put not P. Next, we will put first parenthesis, so we have not P or Q. Because between these two parentheses we have or, so it will be easier if I now put this whole component between these two parentheses. So I will just put the symbol or in fifth columns, and in the last column I will put P or Q. Why? Because it will be easy to compare the values of these two parentheses. So in this column we have this whole statement. I just put this symbol because between these two parentheses I have or. So now P can be true, Q can be true, P can be true, and Q can be false. Now we will have P is false, Q is false, and P is false, and Q is true. You can always check. You should have 4 rows and 2 true and 2 zeros. 2 false, it means. Now in third column we have negation of P. So we have to look in the first column. We have not 1, so this is 0. Not 1 is 0. Not 0, so this is 1, 1. Next we have disjunction here. We know that disjunction is false only when both statements are false. So we have not P or Q. So we have to look in the second and third column. 1 or 0, so this is 1. 0 or 0, so this is 0. 0 or 1, 1. 1 or 1, this is 1. Next we will have to do the last column. We have P or Q. So again we have disjunction. Disjunction is false when both statements are false. Both simple statements are false. So we have P or Q. So 1 or 1, so this is 1. 1 or 0, so this is 1. 0 or 0, so this is 0. And we have now 0 or 1, so this is 1. Now between this column, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 column, and 6 column, we have symbol or. So we have disjunction between these two statements. In fifth row we have this whole statement, compound statement. So we have disjunction. Disjunction, like I said before, is false only when both statements are false. We have 1 or 1, so this is 1. 0 or 1, so this is 1. 1 or 0, so this is 1. 1 or 0, this is 1. We got that our given statement is always true. Always true. It means that this statement is tautology. This is my solution.